Hello everyone. In this video, I like to talk about Siteground review. Today is March 22nd, year 2022, and today is Siteground's 18th birthday, and they have three special offers. One is 73% off web hosting, the other one is free site transfer, the last offer is 3 months free site scanner. So one of the reason why I like SiteGround is it is very faster, and it is very secure, and it's very ease of use, and the last one is top rated hosting support. uh, they have available 24/7 customer service. So as of today, March 22nd, we let's check their hosting plans. So let's go and check the WordPress hosting plans. And these are the three shared web hosting plan they're offering today. And I want to say, for example, the startup basic plan uh, cost $3.99. I remember a year ago or 2 years ago, it was like double the price. As you can see right here, the basic plan is $6.99, and the other plans are higher, going higher. But today you can see it's a half of the price, so it is a good deal. So the basic plan is startup plan. The next plan is a grow big plan. The grow big plan is the one I recommend. Also, the side ground recommend. And the last one is the go geek plan. That's the also the expensive, and it has the most features. Higher you pay, more features you can get. So the difference between the startup plan and the grow big plan, startup plan you can get only one website, and also you can get like a decent amount monthly traffic, 10,000, which is not bad. And the grow big plan you can get unlimited websites, and also you can get 100,000 visits a monthly. That is huge, right? So, and of course these all three plans come with free WordPress installation, uh, free SSL, security comes with, and the other one is daily backup. This one is huge. I know some of the other web hosting companies, they don't offer the daily backup plan, so this is a good thing. And free CDN, it's like Cloudflare, which is offer you extra speed for your web hosting and extra secure for this one, and free email they offer, so it's a good thing. And the other one I like to show you is the SiteGround site tool. This is the site tool where you normally manage your website, and it has a very cleaner look. And here you can access to your security and the speed and the WordPress. Like I mentioned earlier, you can if you can access to the like Cloudflare, CDN, also the SSL, right? And other extra features, SiteGround offers the site builder, Weebly site builder. Uh, you can easily drag and drop builder to make a website. So this is not a WordPress, it's a Weebly. You can easily make a website without you don't need to have any knowledge of coding. And Cloudflare I mentioned earlier, and this extra feature they offer is to protect your website. A scanner, they scan your website and they notified you if you have any virus in your website, and it is get 3 months for free right now. So the that is the extra features SiteGround offering right now. And of course the WordPress, If you go to the WordPress web WordPress.org, WordPress recommend three web hosting to date. One is Bluehost, other one, second one is Dreamhost, the last one Siteground. So even WordPress website, they recommend Siteground. Uh, so SiteGround maybe not the cheapest one right now, but I most definitely know it is one of the best available today. So thank you for watching and have a good day.